Call me crazy, but I'm about to open my screen door and show you the snowstorm. Right now it's 10:56, almost 11 o'clock, and that's our car. Yep, this is our car. It feels like 18. I'm going to stick my phone outside so you can see. And we've just seen lightning strike 3 times. Lightning has struck 3 times. It's pretty loud, not to mention cold. And school's been out all this week, of course. Ed's been off work, of course. And there's been a few accidents. Ed was almost in an accident. I mean, he couldn't see the cars coming until they were right there in front of him. The lights. It was just pure white out there driving. So it's very dangerous. I don't know if you see the snow, but it's snowing pretty bad. It's very bad. So we've just been hibernating here. I know that wasn't a bird. Something just flew by. Well, that's it. So you guys can have a glimpse of what we're going through here in Buffalo. Well, we're safe inside and planning to stay in. So have a good night, guys, and word of advice, don't move to Buffalo. Bye.